What is up, Kraken Bass Clan? Today I'm gonna do something special for you. I'm gonna walk you through shaky heads, like all the different kinds there are and how they work. I'm actually at the pool today with my kids. It's a good place to kind of see how things look underwater. I'm gonna film it with my GoPro so you can see kind of what shaky heads look like actually under the water. So I was at the tackle shop the other day and I bought a bunch of different shaky heads, and we're gonna test them all out. And we're gonna test them out on two baits. This is a robo worm, just a classic 6-inch worm. That's what you use traditionally for a shaky head. And this is a bandito bug. A craw is a great shaky head bait too. So we're gonna take a look at each of these different style heads. This is one with a screw lock, kind of a football style. This one is just a straight keeper style. This one's like straight keeper style. We also got this one which is a straight keeper style, and then this style right here. So anyway, I'll leave a link to all these different styles of heads. I traditionally fish this one the most. This one's my favorite, and we'll see how these others stack up against it and go from there. I got my son helping me today. Whoop whoop, my other boy. We're excited to test these out, so let's go see what they look like underwater. All right, that's the shaky head testing. Pool kind of got busy, but I picked up a few things. So let me point out what I discovered. So number one, I'm gonna start fishing craw on a shaky head a lot more. That looked really good, stood up really nice, and I was surprised. This is the head I normally use, this one with the spring. I really love this head, caught a lot of bass on it, but it actually didn't stand up as good as this one. By far the best. I can't remember who makes that, but I'll have the link for everything. And this one right here by Strike King, this just kind of a football style head, worked. That was probably my next favorite. I probably would fish this one a lot because it didn't quite stand up so straight that it didn't look natural, but it stood up just kind of a little bit. And as you can see, even while fishing all of these, the shaky heads tend to roll and wobble. And so it's important to kind of keep your line tight to keep those baits straight up and down. But that's the shaky head test. You know, I think I'm going to be throwing this one a lot because it definitely stood up the best. And I'm going to throw this one a lot more. And I'll probably keep throwing this one because I catch a lot of bass on it, but probably not any different than a Texas rig. So there you have it. Shaky head test. Hope you picked up a few things, and hopefully that'll help your fishing and help you decide what shaky head to use.